So Anthropic just released this thing called Video Use that lets you edit video by just talking to an AI, and it's actually a totally different approach than everything else people are calling AI video editing.
Okay, so like Runway and Descript, right? Those are AI video tools people use all the time.
Right, but here's the thing, and this is what most coverage is getting wrong. Video Use isn't actually a video AI at all. It's not running some fancy neural network that learned how to understand footage. It's Claude Code, which is just a coding agent, paired with FFmpeg, which is this ancient, incredibly powerful open-source tool that professional video editors have been using for literally decades.
So it's not generating video transformations? It's generating code?
Exactly. You describe what you want, cut out the filler words, add some warm color grading, whatever, and Claude reads your plain English and writes the FFmpeg commands to do it. Then it runs those commands. So everything is explicit and readable, not some black box guess about what cinematic means.
That's actually kind of elegant. So what does it actually do well? Like, what are the jobs it's targeting?
4 main things. First is filler word removal. If you're a solo creator doing talking head videos, you're spending hours scrubbing through raw footage listening for every false start. Video Use transcribes the whole thing, finds every filler word, and cuts them automatically. Just gone.
That's huge for time savings. What else?
Dead space trimming. You know those 3-second silences where you forgot your line or paused before trying again? Total waste, but finding and removing them manually takes forever. The agent handles it in the same pass.
So it's handling the tedious stuff that has zero creative value.
Exactly. And then it does things that actually expand what creators can do, like auto color grading per segment. You can ask for a warm cinematic look in one part and a neutral punchy look in another, and it grades each segment independently. That normally requires either expensive software or deep FFmpeg knowledge.
So it's democratizing capabilities that were gatekept before.
Right. And the fourth one is tiny but weirdly important. 30-millisecond audio fades at every cut boundary. Professional editors do this automatically, because without it you get this audible pop between clips that immediately marks something as amateur. But beginners never learn it, so there's just this quality gap they don't even know exists.
And the AI just handles that invisibly.
Yeah. Together, these 4 things target the parts of editing that consume the most time while producing zero creative output. It's stripping away the software literacy barrier that separates someone who can shoot from someone who can actually finish and publish.
So what does the interface look like? Do you need to learn some new software?
There basically isn't one. It's just conversation. You describe what you want in plain English, and the agent does it. No menus, no presets, no timeline panels to learn. Footage goes in, edited MP4 comes out, and you can drop it into whatever your existing workflow is because it's just a standard video file.
That's smart design. And it's open source, right?
Completely. The workflow is inspectable, forkable, extendable. The team that built it is Browser Use, which already does this same thing with web browsers. They just gave the agent the ability to operate the underlying tools without any graphical interface. Now they've applied the exact same logic to post-production.
So the agent self-evaluates the output, right? Like it doesn't just make cuts blindly?
Exactly. It self-evaluates at every cut boundary before surfacing the results. And it maintains session memory across the whole project, so context from earlier edits carries forward. So it gets smarter as you work.
This sounds like a real game changer for solo creators. Where can people actually learn more about this?
Head over to newslet.com and read the full article. It goes way deeper into how this actually works and why this approach is fundamentally different from what everyone else is doing with video AI.